Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the VPN icon to your Mac's menu bar, perfect for quickly connecting or disconnecting from your VPN with just one click. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support us and brings you more useful Mac tips. Thanks. Alright, let's get started. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Next, in the sidebar on the left, scroll down and click on Control Center. Now scroll through the list until you see VPN. By default, it may be set to Don't Show in Menu Bar. Click the drop-down next to VPN and choose Always Show in Menu Bar. That's it. Now check the top right corner of your screen. You should see the VPN icon. Clicking it gives you quick access to connect or disconnect from your configured VPN profiles. It's fast, secure, and super convenient. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and like the video, leave a comment if you've got questions, and make sure to subscribe for more Mac tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.